That's my shit, that's my wave, do it like that.
Hi friends, welcome to another Lincoln City vlog. It's gonna be a beautiful vlog. I don't want to shout because I'm currently on my way to Lincoln African stores. So we have, I don't know if I've said it here, but I know I've said it on Facebook. We have more than four African stores here in Lincoln City, and today I think I'll be going to Ade Lincoln or Little Africa, and also Ryan is, I think, one of the most populous or most popular. I think Ryan is one of the most popular African stores here in Lincoln City, and we'll be going there together to go get some things. I need to get, today it's going to be like a busy night for me because I want to prepare two different meals. I want to make soup, and also I want to make stew because we are packing shifts tomorrow. I have shifts tomorrow, so yeah, I need to like make things and just store so that it will be easier for me because I have shift tomorrow, which is Thursday, and also I have shift on Friday as well. In UK, you have to pack shifts as much as you can. All right, we don't pick money from the tree. Forget about the narrative that most people used to like come online and say we can pick money on the tree. No, we don't do that here. You have to pack shifts to make money. But yeah, let's go to the place together. If you're new to this space, please remember to hit on that big red button that says subscribe. Join my family, guys. Join this beautiful family and stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe. My phone is here. God, I forgot that I put my phone inside the purse. Subscribe, like, share out this video if you can, and let's continue the rest of this vlog. I kind of figured out, not is it imagine, but I kind of figured out that you guys are loving my Lincoln kind of vlog, Lincoln living vlog. Are you guys enjoying this series? If you are and you are staying in Lincoln, let me know. There's someone that said, someone sent me, like, commented down on one of the videos, and it was like he just arrived Lincoln, and I'm so excited to see that people arriving Lincoln, or people that are like trying to come to Lincoln to study, they are finding out my channel, they are seeing my channel and connecting with me up here. It means a lot to me to see that you guys are connecting to see that you guys are seeing this beautiful face. And I do hope anytime you see me on the road, feel free to holla at your girl. All right, feel free to say hi, Kashrox. I don't bite. I don't bite. All right, I'm always happy whenever some of you stop me on the road and say, I've seen you on YouTube, I've seen you before on YouTube. It always, like, I do hope you guys can hear me because this stuff is too loud. But honestly, it always gives me joy and always makes me happy whenever I see your comments, or probably whenever I see you on the road and you say, I saw you the other day and I said hello to you. Or you say, I've seen you on your YouTube channel. All right, so stop me on the road when you see me. Oh, that's your girl. I've gotten to Ade Lincoln, so let me show you guys how it looks from here, and probably show you guys the area that Ade Lincoln is. In case you're trying to come to Lincoln City, it will be easy for you to locate most of it. But they will be easy for you to find, Sha. So there's no need of telling you guys about that now. But I'm going to show you Ade Lincoln from here for you guys to see. That is Ade Lincoln, and this part we have hair apparent. Is it apparent? Yeah, hair apparent, and it's owned by a Nigerian as well. It's just like down, I don't know, maybe later on I will show you guys that. So I'm going to cross over to Ade Lincoln because that's where I'm going to at the moment. Yeah, I can cross. Don't try this at home. You have to wait. Don't be like Kashrox that couldn't wait for the green light to go on before crossing. All right, obey the traffic sign. But Kashrox, I will have to cross because I'm already late with time. Like, I need to catch up with time with what I'm doing today. So here is Ade Lincoln. Little Africa is down the road. Well, I don't know if I'm going to have the opportunity to go there today, but I just arrived at Ade Lincoln and I hope they have what I want. They don't have it. You don't have vegetable?
Yes, ma'am.
Only this one?
Friday.
That means I'll have to go to Little Africa. Clothing?
Yes.
Kilo Shele!
Oh, God. Yes.
Oh, God, you. Guys, I just got to this place.
Oh, my shaking in no shop.
Clothing. I am polo order for you people. You don't want it. You don't want it.
I want it.
So yeah.
Yes.
What else? What else do I want? Okay. So this is Ade Lincoln and this is their manager. Manager, your manager, introduce yourself. She's shy. What's your name? Taiwo. So this is Taiwo. She's one managing Ade Lincoln. And she's doing a great job. She's so friendly. Yeah. So let me see if there is any other stuff I can buy here. I needed to buy the ugu, really.
On Friday.
Make I check now. If Little Africa no get, then I no go cook
No
soup.
one is getting vegetables today. I won't lie to you.
It's not about getting today. Maybe the one that is remaining, because I need to cook
you know,
soup.
but it will not be fresh like as you want it now.
Yeah, I know.
Wait till Friday.
I can't wait till Friday before cooking. I have shift on Friday.
Oh.
Guys, we are packing shifts this week, okay? I have shift tomorrow and I have on Friday. So if I don't cook today, I don't know. But make I work reach there. If they don't get, then I feel use what do they call them? Spinach, use cooker. Taiwo. Yeah. Make I reach there first. If they don't get too good, then I feel use spinach. Later. You know they hear me? I say later.
Bye.
Bye. So I have to trek down to Ade Lincoln and see if they have. I honestly started vlogging for Facebook, but guys, keeping up with vlogging, because then I used to like post up to 5 videos or 6 videos at a go a day, but it's not sustainable. Doing that consistently is not sustainable, so I had to like pause for some time. But right now, guys, I wish I have the strength and opportunity to always do that, but I don't really have the opportunity to do that always. But anyways, let's get to that Little Africa. So yeah, I wanted to say something, yeah, but I don't know if I should say it now or if I should say it later, because let's get to Little Africa. So Ade Lincoln, from Ade Lincoln to Little Africa is just like 2 minutes, no, like 4 minutes walk. From Ade Lincoln to Little Africa is just like 4 minutes walk to this place, because I just arrived Little Africa and I have to cross back. But I need to be careful because this way is... Can I cross now? I would have crossed, but most times one needs to be extremely careful on this road. Yep. Alright, so I just crossed and this is Little Africa. So this is the front and here is inside. Hello. Okay, I think I'm gonna get stockfish here, but I do hope they have vegetable. Guys, these are all the things you can find in Little Africa. Hello. Do you have ugu? Huh? Yeah. Do you have ugu? Ugu. Yes.
Yes, we have.
Which of them? Not the one in the fridge, oh.
So it's one in the fridge that we have now.
No, I don't like it.
Okay, she's on her way.
Okay, she went to bring vegetable.
Yes.
How many minutes? Or how many?
She will reach up to 3 or 4 before she will come because she left yesterday.
Oh, it will get to 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. before she arrives. But it's already 3, past 3.
Just say 4. So I know between 3 and 4.
Let me see the time. 3:16. Oh wow. I don't know. I'll just buy stockfish. I needed to, maybe I'll just go and use spinach over there. But I'll buy stockfish. So these are stockfish. Sorry, I'm making video. I'm introducing your Little Africa, yeah. So this is the particular one I'm going to buy, and they have other types though. So I'm going to buy this ogbono. I want to make ogbono and okra. So I think I'll just buy this one and blend. The last one I got, which is the blended one, I don't really like the taste. So I think I'll just go with this one. No, it's not much. Is it just this size that you have? You don't have something bigger than this one a bit?
Check on it.
I'll just buy one. How much is it now? How much was the stockfish?
4, I think 4.1.
Oh. Okay. Okay, right?
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Bring more customers.
Hopefully. You people have customers now.
Yes, now we need more now. Customer, they benefit.
You know they belly full.
You be Nigerian now. Have you?
You know they belly not true, Sha. Sorry, can you double this because of that stockfish? Thank you. Then don't they do another party again? All white party. No time they do party. Eh. Where? Outside?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Which food? Any food?
African.
As in, una go just get.
Yes, even barbecue, suya, all of it.
Nice, nice. Okay, una don't hear rampa. So, oh yeah, now thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye. So that was Little Africa. They don't have, like I said, I needed to buy ugu. They don't have ugu, so I will just end up using spinach and okra for the soup. But anyways, let's keep going. So this is a school here in Lincoln. So if you're coming with your kids, oh my god, what happened to my clothes? I don't know what's staying here. So if you're coming with your kids, there are schools here that your children can always enroll in. They just closed from school right now. The next store, which is going to be the last store we are going to right now, is the popular Ryan store. You can't miss this store. You can't miss it. For your fresh beef, for your fresh meat, fresh everything, they have it here. So it's not like a Nigerian store, but they sell literally every African thing. And this was the first African store I went to when I came into the country before I started, like before the new ones started coming out. So it was first Medina and then Ryan, but Ryan I think is more popular because more Africans like to go to the place, and then Little Africa before Ade Lincoln. Then the last one that recently came out was Jetlink, but Jetlink is really far from me and I can't go to that place at the moment. But yeah, so these are most of the African stores we have here. Oh, we also have Zamzam. There's one called Zamzam. It's directly close to Ryan's store, but I hardly go to that place. I do go to that place once in a while if Ryan doesn't have what I want or what I wanted. But yeah, let me take you guys to Ryan crossing. So this is the Ryan food store. All stores are quite close to each other, and I'm going to be getting the spinach leaf and okra as well. I'm going to get okra and spinach. Hi. Does it look fresh? I think I'll just buy one. Looks so sandy, fresh. Okay, I'll take this one. I need to get. Sorry. I need to buy yam as well. So this is cassava, and I'm going to buy sweet potato. Yeah. I think I should buy like